Hi friends, hope you all are happy and healthy. Today we will learn fan shaped petals which could be used to make beautiful poppy peony flowers as you can see. As you can see, I already have loaded my knife and have spreaded the sculpture paste on my board, and I am starting to create the fan shaped petals. So just have a look. The main tip to create the fan shaped petal is the pressure on the knife remains at the top. Okay. Always ensure that it forms a triangle shape just like this one. Just the last request guys, if you are liking my videos, kindly like and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for latest updates. Thank you so much.